Hello students. So we continue our discussion on the chapter profit, loss and discount. Today I am going to discuss some more problem with you. So let us start our class. A man sold a bicycle at 5% profit. If the cost had been 33 less, he would have made a profit of 30%. What was the CP of the bicycle? Now, this problem I am going to solve using the cost price. As I solve another problem where I'll take the CP as X. So I advise you, whichever method you find it comfortable, do it in that method. So let us begin. So we consider CP of the bicycle as rupees 100. In the first case, it is given that the man sold a bicycle at a profit of 5%. Therefore, SP equals to 100 plus 5, that is 105 rupees. Now, consider the second case. Now, second case is given as if the cost has been 30% less. So, first find out the new cost price. So, new cost price is, current cost price is 100, and if it is 30% less, that means 30% of 100, which is equal to 30. So, new cost price will be 100 minus 30, that is rupees 70. And he would made a profit of 30%. That means selling price will be 100 plus 30 by 100 into 70. I am using the formula 100 plus profit by 100 into CP. So if you calculate, you will get the selling price as rupees 91. Now, student, SP in two cases. In the first cases, as you remember, our SP is 105. Now the SP is 91. That means the difference of SP is rupees 14 when the CP is rupees 100. So I am going to use the unitary method. You can use the arrow method also here. So when the difference equals to rupees 14, CP equals to rupees 100. So when the difference equals to 1, therefore CP equals to 100 by 14. And when the difference equals to 63, CP will be equals to 100 into 63 by 14. 7 2 ja 14, 7 9 ja 63, 2 1 ja 2, 2 50 ja 100. So 50 into 9, that is rupees 450. So the cost price of the article is rupees 450. Let us discuss our next problem. Renu sold an article at a loss of 8%. Had she bought it at 10% less and %, find the CP of the article. Understood? An article is sold at a loss of 8%. If she bought the article at 10% less and sold for rupees 36 more, he would have gained 20%. We have to find out the CP of the article. So in the last sum, if you compare the sum, both the sums are same kind. In the last sum, I solve it using the 100. Here I am solving using X. So in the first case, SP will be CP minus loss, that is 8% of X. If you calculate, you will get 23X by 25. Now, moving into the next part, that is when the person bought the article at 10% less. So first find out the new CP. Previous one CP is X, 10% less. So new CP will be 9x by 10, and the person earned a profit of 20%. So SP will be CP, which is equal to 9x by 10 plus profit, that is 20% of 9x by 10. If you simplify, you will get 54x by 50. You can check the calculation here. Now, according to question, the person earns rupees 36 more. That means difference of the selling price will be rupees 36. That means 54x by 50 minus 23x by 25 equals to 36. Now if you simplify, you will get x equals to rupees 225. That means the cost price of the article is rupees 225. I hope you compare both the method using 100, using x, and solve it the method you are finding it convenient. Thank you students for watching this.